Please do not eat this lipstick, Hazel.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hazel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you for dropping by again. Before we move on, subscribe to my channel and share this video, like it, and comment your ideas and whatever you get from the video in the comment section, and let's get interactive. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple cornrow. It's kind of like French braids, but cornrow. Just 4 cornrows on your head with extensions, you know, just to make it look a bit extra cute. So before we go on, I'm just going to do a little backstory on the importance of cornrows in the culture and what it does for our hair, because especially with the current trend, hopefully won't be just trends after a while, that has been going on. Yeah, I figured that if you know, just to help the knowledge of our culture spread around more, I would just include some of these things and these facts in my videos if it includes hair or anything like that. So first of all, when it comes to hair is part of Black people culture. It's part of the Black culture. Specifically for this hairstyle, it's called a cornrow. If it was just 2, they call it French braid, but it's actually called African braid over there, but in the American society it's called French braid because that is where it got popularized. But anyway, braids are originated from Africa, so that's the point. But yeah, so for this hairstyle, it is called protective styling. If you're not aware what protective styling is basically when Black people, when Black women use the word protective styling, it means any style of hair that basically hides the very ends of your hair, because our hair type is very prone to breakages. It's prone to splits based on the weather, especially if you're in a country where you've got like the 4 seasons. It snows. Did I go blank? Used to it. So protective styling is a hairstyle that hides your hair, and especially the ends. It has to hide your ends, the ends of your hair. That's like very important. Tuck it away, because when your hair is gonna get damaged, it starts from the very beginning of your hairs, like the very ends of your hair. So that's where you need to hide. And also any kind of style that would prevent you from manipulating your hair for like at least a week or 2, because too much over manipulation would also damage your hair. So protective style, it's protecting your hair. It's hairstyle that protects your hair from any form of damage or anything that is not going to help your hair. So let's just get straight into the video. You're probably tired of hearing me talk, and I'm just gonna repeat again to please subscribe. Thank you. Subscribe.